It's time to get rid of the bulky one. Meet K3, the world's first wireless mechanical keyboard that comes with hot swappable low-profile optical switches. Thanks to the innovative low-profile switch, which is 40% slimmer than a conventional mechanical switch, the K3 is one of the thinnest wireless mechanical keyboards ever. Yet, it still offers a remarkable mechanical keyboard tactile response to enhance your productivity.